Local group policy. Deny write access to removable drives not protected by BitLocker. You will need a version of Windows Professional, Enterprise, or an educational edition to enable this group policy setting. Small businesses should use this policy to protect sensitive information, for security compliance, and to reduce the risk of financial liability. This policy setting configures whether BitLocker protection is required for a computer to be able to write data to a removable data drive, like a USB drive. If you enable this policy setting, all removable data drives that are not BitLocker protected will be mounted as read-only. This is a simple but very important local computer policy that can prevent a simple mistake from damaging your company's reputation and possibly make you liable for confidential client information that was not secure. Some industries work with strict mandated guidelines regarding data security. For example, the healthcare industry must comply with HIPAA safeguards to protect information. Local government organizations, public agencies, and other local governmental units in the state of Kentucky that use public funds must follow information security guidelines as described in KRS 61932, Personal Information Security and Breach Investigation Procedures and Practices. There are countless examples in the public and private sector where an employee accidentally misplaced a USB removable storage device with sensitive information on them. In this video, we will cover basic security and removable storage devices, also referred to as USB drives, pen drives, and flash drives. This example will focus on a small business that doesn't have a server to manage group policies and/or user accounts. It is important for small business owners to configure their computers so that users do not have administrative privileges. Only specific individuals assigned to perform administrative tasks should have these privileges. Otherwise, your security policies can be easily removed by your staff. If you enable the local group policy, deny write access to removable drives not protected by BitLocker, it will not allow users to copy data from your computer to an unsecure removable storage device. If they attempt to do so, they will receive notification that their USB drive is read-only and ask them if they want to encrypt the removable drive. If they follow the instructions to encrypt the removable storage device, the information on the drive will be encrypted with a password. Doing this will protect your information in the event the removable storage device is lost or stolen. First, you will need to log in with administrative privileges, and then type gpedit.mse in the search bar. You can press enter or click on the gpedit.mse link in the search results. Under Computer Configuration, select Administrative Templates, and then Windows Components, and then BitLocker Drive Encryption. Then select Removable Data Drives. Then select Deny Write Access to Removable Drives Not Protected by BitLocker, and then select or click Enable. Then click Apply. The next time a user attempts to use a removable storage device like a USB drive, they will be prompted to encrypt the drive before they can save files to it. When you choose to encrypt the drive, it'll ask you how you want to unlock the drive, and you should select Use a Password to unlock the drive and enter a password. Then select the location that you would like to save your recovery key. And first, you have the option of going to a Microsoft account. If you have a Microsoft account, it'll store it in the cloud. And then you have the option to save it to a file, which will be on your local computer. And make sure you keep the file name that it creates, because if you need to search in case you forget your password, it's easy to recover that if you've lost the key in your computer somewhere. Or you can just print the recovery key. Then choose how much of the drive to encrypt. Select Encrypt Entire Drive. Then select the encryption mode. New encryption mode is more secure than the compatible mode, but the new mode security improvements address vulnerabilities most often found in fixed hard drives, like your operating system drive. Compatible mode is recommended for most users. Then you can start encrypting. The amount of time to encrypt your removable storage device depends on the size of the drive and its type. Now I've got a video capture of going through the process of enabling this policy. And you can follow these same steps to just remove this policy. If you need to do something with the machine to where you don't need this security setting, it's just as easy to remove as it is to place on here. If this IT best practice video was helpful, please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.